No phobia, no lulunu, no lilinu. Ọkwa ife mezianụ be ndị ọzọ na ya ejezianụ dozianụ. Ọ bụrụzie nke dị na banyị ọ bụrụ ifekwuo. Unu afụgonu ififele. Si ndị Igbo biko bịazianụ bịakọta n'ọnụ ka anyị chịkọta n'ọnụnụ ka o wee kweme. Welcome back to this wonderful channel where we bring you back-to-back update and information as it is hot, making the Igbo biko bịakọta n'ọnụ ka ife a wee kweme. They say Ohanezendigbo has written to TINUBU to halt persecution of Igbos in Lagos. Meanwhile, if this is your first time of joining us on this wonderful channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I see there for that to full button. And if you support your brother, you go subscribe, like, comment, and also remember to on your notification button so that whenever we are posting news, you go be the first. We will collect them. Meanwhile, let's go down to the news proper. As they hold, they say the leadership of Ohanezendigbo worldwide yesterday tasked President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to stop the alleged persistent persecution of Igbo residents in Lagos and other southwest states for voting and supporting the presidential candidate of Labour Party, Mr. Peter Obi, in the last election. Well, I tell you, say Nigeria no be for you no one agree. Oh yeah, they there. They go check on and there. Meanwhile, I wonder, when has it become a crime, a taboo, an anathema for someone to vote for his own favorite candidate, whom you feel, according to democracy, that this person is going to be the best for you? But the way it is for Nigeria, be say, my brother, if you go vote, finish, na pepper, then go pepper you. As they carry pepper now, put chook for Igbo people. Say you go vote for your brother, make you see how you go survive for this country. They say Nigeria no be for you. You better listen to the things where your grandfathers they tell you. Your grandfather will come from Israel, come cross the Omambala River, come there for Aguleri, he name Nagad. Go make him tell you story how you take survive. Now there you go understand the things self where we say they happen. But if you don't know the history, you go the patayam. Some Igbo people self they think say because they be friend with Yoruba. The other people where they call Kesia and brother the other time don't go call him Siolu or come carry money give him. Think say because they been friends say they no go pepper him. Because you don't leave your brother behind. You want go follow another person. They go pepper you too. They go pepper you. Carry water rub for your nyash. They say the Apex Social-Cultural Group, however, commended Mr. President for reopening Semeboda, stressing that the development had restored economic activities that were paralyzed during the tenure of Muhammadu Buhari. This was contained in a signed statement issued by the Secretary General of Ohanezendigbo Worldwide, Nnamďi Okechukwu Isiguzoro, and made available to Daily Trust on Thursday. Now, they ask Oga Tinubu say the thing where we say in do say make in stay help make Ndị Igbo make them they persecute them for Lagos. Well, as na once beaten, twice what? You know that one. So as onye mbume abaye mi as na nwamba so mbolo na kive ye munu una amala ife. Nkozo wese na nke mbume kwa onu melo na amala amana nke ibo ya mena mkpachala anya. Ifugia mana ife emego Ndị Igbo, things has happened to Ndị Igbo severally, no be today. And ehu nke Osa Abiola, Osa Abiola, they have forgotten it. So the one they are doing now is also Sanwo-Olu. Yeah? They have done Osa Abiola. They have done many Osos in this Nigeria that affected only Ndị Igbo. And Ndị Igbo themselves has decided not to, get sense and grab wisdom in order to be able to survive in this terrible and crucial time in Nigeria. But I wonder when it has become a crime for you to vote for your favorite candidate, somebody whom you are convincing that, okay, this person is going to be able to, deliver what you feel that that's the purpose of the government. I don't know if you're getting it, but now because Ndigbo voted for their favorite candidate, and now they are suffering for it. And it's only in Nigeria that such a thing is happening, because you voted for someone and you ended up suffering for it, which is very bad. I think Nigeria should go back and look into the politics of this nation. They should go back and look into the politics. Then that's why Mazi Nnamďi is saying, okay, leave us, let us go. And they say, we no go leave you. Then as you say, you no go leave us, make we go. Okay, we were there. Make we dey in peace with you. They say you no go collect peace, so say your name na pieces. See what they are doing to Ndigbo in Lagos, and what Ohanezendigbo could do is only begging. And the Igbo governors, Southeast governors have never one day come together and say, this thing that is happening to us, can't we look at it? I remember when an Hausa man was governor of Central Bank of Nigeria, he was suspended. And the Hausa people say, no, this can never happen, because you have to pass through the constitution, because the Central Bank is a government on its own. And it was done that way. Go and check history. I don't want to start calling them. But when anything that concerns Ndigbo themselves, some of them don't even want to help themselves. Look at even the Biafra struggle that many people are using to get hope. They have divided it. The DOS is saying a different thing. The autopilot is saying a different thing. This thing. Then Simon Ekpa himself, that brought out himself to be doing this thing. Many people are kicking against him. If they don't tag him criminal, they tag him road. If they don't tag him road, they tag him onyenvu. If they don't tag him onyenvu, they tag him onyama. Yeah? Which is very bad. Ndigbo tunekenenu. So that asị na ka ewepụ aka enwe n'ofe. Yeah? Tutu ọwara aka mmadụ. Na ofu okwu aka asịkwa na ofu aka lụta mma na ome gịnị? Ozu ọrụ ọnụ. So Ndigbo kunu kpakọ uche ọnụ. Ọ dị mma na Ndigbo, you people come together and kpakọ uche ọnụ. Put heads together, and you see things working for Igbo people. But when there is division, as na azịza dị n'ukwu na ede eme gịnị, ara agbajiri agbaji. Mana ọ bụla ofu mkpụrụ azịza iwere na ịmụrụ ọkụ ịnụgo ka ọ na-ekwu n'ọkwa m na-ekwu. Na so it dey be. The Okulora one wey be say e dey for this channel wey dey talk for everybody. Carry your matter come, you go carry your matter go talk am. As e dey be, they say Regina Daniels' husband Nnamďi Nwoko don talk say the submarine. They say Regina Daniels' husband say he was invited to join ill-fated Titan submarine. I don't know why this name Titan is still coming up again. You remember that movie called Titanic, and it was a true life story where a ship was sunk, capsized into the sea. That ship was named Titanic, and these people ended up in reinventing another. This one is a submarine, and as it stands now, the submarine is missing. It's missing. They say Nnamďi Nwoko, a Nigerian politician, reviewed how national duties prevented him from joining the ill-fated Titan submersible adventure. Nwoko, a senator representing Delta North in the country's south-south zone, is known to be friends with one of the deceased persons aboard the submersible, Captain Hamish Harding. He posted on his social media handles on June 23 that he had lost a friend and business partner, detailing a number of past adventures that they had undertaken. On the issue of widely reported upon submersible and the invitation extended to him by Harding, he wrote, "He also invited me on his space shuttle last year and this very Titan ill-fated adventure, but I was tied down with national duties." Meanwhile, Nigerians on social media have been mocking the account of Nwoko, with some asking what national assignment in particular had obstructed him. "I have lost a very dear friend and business partner, Captain Hamish Harding. We both went on a very dangerous expedition to the South Pole, Antarctica, a few years ago. He was a Gulfstream pilot who flew across the world in a record-breaking expedition by Guinness World Record for circumnavigation of the Earth some years ago. He descended into the Mariana. He also invited me on his space shuttle last year, and this was a very titan ill-fated adventure, but I was tied down with national duties. Above all, he was a partner on the various research into eradication of malaria in Africa project. He was very enthusiastic about it and always gave his support at every given opportunity. His last message to me was the last Sunday when he told me they were ready to dive into the Titanic if the weather permits. He loved adventure and challenges. My heart bleeds for him, for his dear wife and kids who have become family friends over the years. We will surely miss his wealth of experience. Nwoko say they invited him, but duty no fit allow am. Meanwhile, I go to wind down the curtain here, and if this is your first time of joining us on this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and also remember to on your notification button so that whenever our news drop, you will be the first one to collect them. Thank you for listening. God bless you.